There's a helpful decluttering trick that we use in our home, and we call it the one box rule. The idea is pretty simple, but it's super helpful. At every moment in our home, there is a box open that we can put things into that we no longer need or want to donate. It lives in the closet of our bedroom, but you could place it wherever you want. To us, it's not just a donation box, it's a visual reminder of the life we want to live. Unlike the messages of culture telling us to buy more, accumulate more, and hold on to everything as tightly as possible, this box reminds us that letting go of what we don't need creates space for what does. Here's how it works. You pick a box. Any box will do. Maybe a cardboard box, or you could use a cute little basket if you want to be fancier than us. Place it somewhere accessible. You could place it somewhere visible in a coat room, but in a closet that you use regularly is also fine. That's what we do. This is your donation box, and the idea is this, that it's always there, open and ready. The moment it fills up with clothes you haven't worn in several years, gadgets you forgot you owned, the games you no longer play, the decorations you no longer love, take it to Goodwill or your favorite charity. And then grab a new box and start again. The beauty of this rule lies in its simplicity and the power of its symbolism. First, it's always there, reminding you to let go. Even after you drop off a full box, you replace it right away. No excuses, no delays. That constant presence keeps you honest and serves as a reminder that there's still excess in your home and life. Second, it's an invitation to give. I suppose you could label the box as items to be sold, but almost never is that how this rule plays out. The box becomes a place for donations. And we're constantly reminded that the things cluttering our home could be used by someone else. The benefits tend to sneak up on us because we realize that we're not just decluttering once randomly, but we're doing it on a regular basis. So it's a small act that builds up this habit of decluttering and mindfulness. Whenever you notice something in your home that you don't need, you know exactly where to put it. I don't need to over-explain a simple idea, but here's how it works one more time. Grab a box, put it where you'll see it, maybe near where you drop your keys or get ready in the morning. Then walk around, toss in a few things just to get some momentum going right away. And whenever you see something you can remove from your home, put it in the box. When it's full, take it to your favorite donation spot, replace it immediately, and keep on going.